Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you an amazing product that we got for our Mercedes here. As you know, we finally fixed the Mercedes. We're about to start driving it, and you know how I feel about jump starters. I always have to have one in the vehicle. This one is a 4-cylinder 1.8 turbo engine, guys. So we decided to get a smaller, jump starter that's very portable, very compact, so we can carry it with us anytime. So that's it. You can see how slim that thing is. Not very heavy at all. What I like about it is it has the quick charge for the phone, and it has the Type-C, right here, output, input as well. 2 USBs, one is quick charge. I definitely use that one a lot, so I take it with me when we go to the beach, on trips and things like that. Manual is inside, and let me show you what else is in that little box, and we're going to put that thing to the test today and see how it's going to do, if it's going to perform okay or not. This is the charging cable, Type-C cable, and the clamps. Clamps, one good thing about it is, guys, those are very smart design clamps. It has the reset switch in them. If they get hot or overloaded, it will turn them off so you don't melt or explode anything like some of the cheap jump starters I've seen that they don't have those, and I used them in the past and they melted the wires, so I stopped using them. So let me show you what else that thing do. Let me show you the jump starter. Now you have a flashlight as well. Let me show you how you turn that thing on. When you turn it on, you can check how charged it is right here, and you have the LED light as well. Pretty good light. You can have the emergency light here. You can see 3 different modes. So how you use that thing? You can see where the little car is, the picture of the car here. You open it and you connect your clamps there, and I'm going to show you how dead the battery on that Fiesta is, and we'll see if it will start it. The Mercedes is 1.8, the Fiesta is 1.6 turbo engine. So I left the headlights on that thing accidentally because I came home, forgot to turn them off, and now its battery is dead all the way. Let us show you now. I'm not going to stop the video from that point on until I get inside to show you how dead it is. Let's check the voltage now. And we have only 6.6 volts, and we're supposed to have at least 12. So let me just show you inside. If you go inside the car now, and I try to start it. It has the push button, so I'm going to have the key here to demonstrate that it doesn't have any juice at all. Brake on and clutch, nothing at all. So let's go ahead, and connect the jump starter now. You see, when you push the starting clamps in, you have the blinking light right here. You can read the manual, what the different light means and all that stuff. I think, need to double check, but I think it has the reverse polarity as well, protection. Now we have red, red status right here. And if you have the red light on, you hold this one until it resets and you have green light. Green light means you're ready to go. So now let's see if it's going to start the car. Perfect. It started with absolutely no problem at all. You can see that's pretty good. That ticking noise, excuse that, that's the heater. We need to replace one valve. So I'll definitely recommend, guys, that jump starter. I'm going to go ahead, pack it and put it in the Mercedes, so I know that it can start the car if I need it to. It's excellent for 4-cylinder cars. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.